Most people hear electric grill and think compromise. Less heat, less power, and not the real thing. But what if that's completely outdated? What if there's one brand that took over 80 years of outdoor cooking experience and built an electric grill that actually rivals gas? This might be the most advanced electric grill on the market today. Let me introduce you to FireMagic. These grills are built with passion and owned with pride. FireMagic are built for people who expect the best, plain and simple. They're made in Southern California and they combine top-tier craftsmanship with serious performance and an industry-leading warranty. They're built to last for years. They're beautifully designed and they're bulletproof tough. And they're built from 304 heavy-duty grade stainless steel, and FireMagic grills are made to look and last great. They're designed for high heat, even cooking, and even give you the flexibility to sear, smoke, and rotisserie all with ease. To understand FireMagic, you have to look at where they fit in the market. They're a legacy luxury brand with over 80 years of history. They're not a boutique newcomer. They are the only electric grills in this space delivering a true 700-degree Fahrenheit searing, and they have a broad lineup with built-in and post-accessible units, proving the brand is designed electric for serious outdoor cooking. In the electric space, here are a few options that FireMagic offers. You can see the post models pictured on the left with both analog and digital controls. But our main focus today is their top-of-the-line EL500i built-in electric grill. Here we are going to look at a few features. The first and my favorite feature is the Magic View window option. The Magic View window is made of a high heat resistant transparent ceramic glass, and this allows you to monitor grilled foods without lifting the hood and losing that valuable heat. Due to its high thermal resistance, it'll easily withstand extremely high temperatures, well above 1,000 degrees Fahrenheit, and it's specifically designed for natural air movement in the grill to keep it clean. Here you can see there are two options if you would not like the window. There are choices that feature a solid lid and a different number of control options. A high quality grill needs a heavy duty warming rack for resting food once it's complete, or if you need it for indirect heat. Next is the touch screen control with digital thermometer and Bluetooth. You've got a modern under-glass display here with smart tech built right in, so you can track your cook straight from your phone. It includes a digital timer, a meat probe, and these really nice comfort touch knobs with a blue backlight that make everything easy to see and control. Their quality Diamond Sear cooking grid is what really makes this grill strong. FireMagic's Diamond Sear grids are all about performance. The flat top design pushes heat right into the food for faster and more even cooking. They're built from heavy-duty 304 stainless steel, reinforced for strength, finished for easy cleanup, and they come with a lifetime warranty. Underneath the grid sits the heavy-duty heating element. Dual temperature control zones allow you to cook different foods at their optimal temperatures simultaneously. With preheat times of less than 15 minutes and temperatures reaching 700 degrees, this grill means serious business. With all that cooking, there will be a mess, and FireMagic thought of everything and included an easy-to-use large drip tray. They are built with special ball bearings for easy slide and glide, and are the perfect size for handling cleanup. When talking about installation, the dimensions of the EL500i are a 30 by 16 inch with a cooking area of about 480 square inches, with a warming rack of about 150. The power requirements are a 240 volt with a 30 amp circuit, and when redesigning your space, plan on having a 33 inch wide cutout by 17.5 by 7.25 inches available. Next, let's talk about ventilation and clearance. Covered installations still require proper ventilation for right above your grill. Planning ventilation for your FireMagic as a part of your kitchen design will prevent safety issues. And as a reminder, the electrical requirements for the grill do require a dedicated 240 volt 30 amp circuit. You don't want any delays or surprises. Below you can see the junction box opening and the terminal block for the installation, and all the necessary space you'll need behind the unit for an easy setup. What kind of person would this grill be for? Perhaps someone who lives in an urban setting or has restrictions by an HOA, condo, or other ordinance revolving gas or charcoal. Maybe someone who wants performance without compromise but in electric format. And this will definitely be for somebody who's eco-conscious and those seeking sustainability and luxury in their design. With electric grills, there will be questions. One could be, electric grills don't get hot enough. A good response is sharing that this grill matches gas's searing temperatures. Another question could be, we've never heard of FireMagic. Well, they've been leaders in the outdoor cooking space for over 80 years, and they're trusted in the trade community. And a common question we'll get is, isn't this electric complicated? It's 240 volts, which can be simpler than most gas hookups in many cases. When thinking about FireMagic, approach it with the right mindset. They lead with heritage and legitimacy. FireMagic is an established luxury brand. Think of electric as an expansion, not a limitation. This opens new installs without losing performance. Finally, they have so many choices and configurations. FireMagic is perfect for built-in kitchens, post-mount for flexibility, and even accessible for ADA compliance.